Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to create a YouTube watermark in your Canva, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. First thing first, you have to launch your browser. Once you do so, click on Add Project and get yourself into a page like this where you can edit any design. Now for that, you can also resize the frame ratio. I've taken a general one, but you can specifically select a smaller size. Now here, a logo that will appear on your bottom right hand side. Let's go ahead and create that. Click on Elements here and type in YouTube. You can also type in whatever watermark you would like to add, but I'm gonna go ahead and start with YouTube. Make sure that you select one that is free, or if you have a pro account, you can select anything that you would like. Now let's go ahead and maximize its size just so that you can see it better. I'm also gonna write something here, so click on text and also type in subscribe. Go ahead and combine these two. Select both of these, the text and the image. Click on group. Now you can move them all together here just like this. If you're satisfied, you may go ahead and save it. If not, you can also make other changes. Now this will be the image that will be on my bottom right hand side for my YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and save it. For that, click on this share button. Click on download, and here make sure this is PNG and click on download again. Once you do so, you will get this logo or your watermark for your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.